In the beginning, there was nothing. No space, no time, no matter. Only silence. Then, in a fraction of a second, the Big Bang happened. A burst of pure energy exploded into existence, creating space and time itself. The universe expanded faster than the speed of light, stretching and cooling as it grew. Tiny particles formed, quarks, electrons, neutrinos, floating in a searing, chaotic sea. As the universe cooled further, quarks bonded into protons and neutrons. Protons captured electrons, forming the first atoms, hydrogen and helium. The universe became a dark, foggy place, a silent expanse filled with invisible gas. But gravity stirred the darkness. Clouds of hydrogen and helium began to gather. At the heart of these clouds, temperatures soared. Boom! The first stars ignited, lighting up the cosmos for the very first time. These ancient stars lived fast and died young, exploding as supernovae, scattering heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron across space. Stars gathered together under gravity, forming the first galaxies, vast swirling islands of light across the cosmic sea. The cosmic web was born, a colossal interconnected structure stretching across the universe. In a quiet corner of one galaxy, the Milky Way, a giant cloud of gas and dust collapsed under its own weight. At its center, a new star was born, our sun. Around the newborn sun, a spinning disk of dust, ice, and rock took shape. The protoplanetary disk. Inside this swirling chaos, dust grains stuck together, becoming pebbles, then boulders, then planetesimals. These massive rocks collided violently, merging into larger and larger bodies, the early planets. During this cosmic battle, a Mars-sized object named Theia slammed into the young Earth. The collision was catastrophic, melting Earth's surface and blasting debris into orbit. This debris clumped together, giving birth to the Moon. The Moon became Earth's silent partner, stabilizing its tilt, calming its seasons, and guiding its tides. At first, Earth's atmosphere was a toxic soup, full of hydrogen, methane, ammonia, and water vapor. No oxygen, no life. Asteroids and comets rained down, delivering water and organic molecules. The planet cooled. Water vapor condensed. It rained. And it rained. For thousands upon thousands of years. Oceans formed, vast and deep, wrapping Earth in endless blue. In the depths of these oceans, around volcanic vents, simple molecules stitched themselves together into complex chains. Life had begun. Tiny, primitive, single-celled beings. Among them, cyanobacteria evolved, learning the magic of photosynthesis, capturing sunlight and releasing oxygen as a waste product. Oxygen flooded the oceans and atmosphere, triggering the Great Oxygenation Event. For many early life forms, oxygen was toxic. Mass extinction swept across the world. But for those who adapted, a new era of complexity began. After billions of years of tiny, simple life, nature erupted with creativity. Soft-bodied creatures floated through oceans, jellyfish-like beings, sponges, worms. Suddenly, in a geologic blink, life diversified like never before. Creatures grew armor, teeth, eyes, legs, claws. The seas teemed with trilobites, ancient nautiloids, and bizarre monsters. Then, plants made their move, the first pioneers to colonize the barren land. Soon, insects and amphibians followed, crawling from the oceans onto solid ground. Life was no longer confined to the seas. Lush forests spread across Earth, filling the air with oxygen. Huge dragonflies with wingspans as wide as eagles buzzed through the skies. Reptiles evolved tough, scaly skin, perfect for surviving on dry land. And then, dinosaurs appeared, small and quick at first. They adapted, diversified, and grew into towering, thunderous giants. For millions of years, Earth belonged to them, Forests, deserts, plains, all were ruled by dinosaurs. But even the greatest rulers can fall. Around 66 million years ago, disaster struck. A mountain-sized asteroid hurtled toward Earth, slamming into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact was apocalyptic. Blazing shockwaves circled the planet. Tsunamis hundreds of feet high ravaged coastlines. Forests ignited. The sky turned black with ash. Sunlight vanished. The world plunged into a freezing, endless night. Plants withered. The food chain collapsed. And the age of dinosaurs came to a fiery, tragic end. But in the ashes of destruction, life found a way. Tiny survivors, mammals no bigger than rats, crept through the shattered world. Warm-blooded, agile, adaptable, traits that would one day change everything. Over millions of years, these small creatures evolved into an astonishing diversity. Some stayed tiny, scurrying through leaf-littered forests. Some grew larger, roaming plains and jungles. Others climbed trees, developing grasping hands and keen eyesight. Forests became laboratories of evolution. Among the branches, early primates were born, the ancestors of monkeys, apes, and humans. Some primates ventured down from the trees. They stood upright, freed their hands to shape tools, wield fire, and build shelter. Their brains grew larger. Their communities became more complex. Their dreams grew bigger. Driven by curiosity and survival, they migrated across Africa, into Asia, Europe, and beyond. Through harsh ice ages and blazing deserts, they endured, adapting, innovating, dreaming. And finally, after 4.5 billion years of cosmic evolution, after endless cycles of creation and destruction, the first humans appeared. Homo sapiens, thinking, dreaming, creating beings, stood beneath the stars, unaware that they were the universe made conscious, ready to leave their own mark on the endless story of existence.